Refills for Brandless Starter Kit. These razor cartridges fit perfectly with the brandless razor and are not a universal fit to other razors. Sleek plus sustainable, designed to navigate every angle effortlessly and safely. Say goodbye to disposable body razors with the eco-friendly, cost-effective, reusable brandless razor. The body razor blade refills are all you need to maintain the life of your razor. For all, specifically designed as gender-neutral, the Brandless Razor Refills for body achieves a gentle, yet precise shave at a remarkable value for everyone plus all skin types. No nonsense, we're here to keep it simple. Better value at a better price with ingredients you can count on to work with you, your skin plus lifestyle that won't slow you down or hold you back from your best self. Cruelty-free, clean plus most importantly made with you in mind. Includes 8 cartridge refills. After 3 to 5 shaves with each cartridge, we recommend replacing with a fresh cartridge to always have a close shave. Designed for body, conveniently packaged and priced with you in mind. Gentle plus precise, with moisturizing aloe plus vitamin E infused in the glide strips, shave closely and precisely with the 5-blade cartridge razor blade, leaving skin soft and smooth without any irritation. Top reviews from the United States. Adding it to my subscribe save. Moisturizing listen. I gave dry skin on my legs, so it takes additional moisturizer after a shower for my skin to be smooth and soft. But I will say if I don't put lotion on, my skin does not feel tight, so that's definitely something favorable for me.